Today is February 26th, 2010, and hopefully this is the last of the blizzard of 2010 that hit Wappingers Falls. I've been at school or out of work since early dismissal on Tuesday. We've had no work Wednesday, Thursday, and now Friday. We're currently without power for about 15 hours now. Frank has been working almost around the clock. He's been working 12 to 15 hour days since Wednesday, printing maps for the line trucks that are going around. I would say a majority of Wappingers is without power, and parts of the other side of the river. Going up into Poughkeepsie and Arlington, though, they only received about 6 inches of snow in the past couple of days, so I would really like to be there right now. This might be the end of the snow. I'm really hoping it is. There's this, you can actually see the sun today. You haven't seen the sun in many days since this storm started, so I'm hoping that this is the silver lining and that's the end of it, because, well, we are ready for winter to be over.